Welcome back to another video. Today we have the 20 volts Hart portable rinser, dual powered by car or Hart 20 volt battery. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes guys, this is a deal. This is $49.99 with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. So this is quite a good deal, especially for you guys that go out camping. You guys are on the work site. You guys need to wash your hands. You guys don't have potable water, you know, water to wash your hands obviously and stuff like that. This is a great little device. You guys got a small crew. You guys need to wash your faces. You guys handle chemicals. This is a great thing to have in the truck, in the work truck, or in RV or camper. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. This does go on sale on and off. So sometimes they take it out of the website, and I heard that it goes back. So always double check the Walmart's, the Hart portable rinser. Make sure you guys search that, and I would search every 3 days or so. A dual powered by 20 volt battery or by car. Again, if your battery dies, you got the car. Cigarette lighter, ideal for on the go cleaning. You got shoes, bicycle, pets, and hands. Obviously the hands is going to be the best one, or the shower. You could use this as a portable shower. You can hang this basically from a tree or from a little, you know, a little bathroom tent you have. This is peak initial battery voltage measured without a workload, approximately 20 volts nominal voltage by product use and battery and charge. So zero emissions features, dual power versatility, offers ability to clean on the go. Up to 38 gallons per charge using the included Hart 20 volt 2 amp hour battery. Built-in 5-gallon water tank allows for maximum portability. Works with all Hart 20 volt batteries. Says 8 spraying patterns: mist, vertical, flat, full, shower, center, cone, and stream. Hart lithium ion benefits includes the rinser, 8 feet, 12 volt DC powered cord, 20-foot hose, multi-use head, 2.0 amp hour lithium battery, charger, and operator's manual. It says battery 20 volt lithium ion, tank 5 gallon, flow rating 0.9 gallons per minute, 0.06 gallons per minute. Pressure 70 psi. So this is garden hose pressure, by the way, guys. But still, it's in a portable where garden hose are not at. This is hose length 20 foot. Connection cord or power cord length 8 feet. Weight 16.3 pounds. Right off the bat, you got this charging kit with the 2 amp hour battery. So this is instructions. Just a basic charger. Green flashing is charging. Green, solid green is charged. So just a really basic charger. Don't expect this thing to charge it in 5 minutes. Alright, so this is the 20 volt 2 amp hour battery. No fuel gauge. Nope. Alright, you got the nozzle by itself. So this is basically like a garden hose type. Same thing. You got the quick connector there with some rubber o-ring. And then you got the ability to this is plastic, by the way, so in case this messed up, I believe you can just screw this adapter. Should be able to screw it. I think you should be able to screw it. It looks like it's threatened. Yeah, it does have something you can put in through there and then just take it off and then screw a new one in there. You can just buy yourself an aftermarket garden hose gun and then just use that instead of this one, but you know, this one will work for now. So you got the stream, the cone, center, shower, and full, flat, vertical, mist, stream. So a whole bunch of stuff, and you are able to regulate it through here. This is all rubber, by the way. All of it is rubber, by the way. Everything. Even this blue stuff is rubber. The only plastic, it's the insides. Keep battery and door closed and locked during operation. Obviously you want to keep it locked because of the, you know, water flow and all that stuff. You got 12 volts current there. You got a flashlight, nice flashlight on the side. So you got the power button there. You got the rinser on and off. So this is the rinser on and off. And then you got a 12 volts input. So for a cigarette lighter. So that's a really nice handy thing to have. We'll see if we have the cable for that. I believe I did not see a cable for that, but I'll check it out right now in the box. You got the quick connect here for the water hose for this. And then let's look at the compartment here for the Oh, we got a really nice compartment here for the battery. Alright, so this is the compartment. So basically you stick the battery in through there and you're ready to rock and roll, I guess. Throw this in here and see what it does. Alright, so it's on. Let's turn it off. Alright, so let's see if, alright, so it's in there. Let's turn the flashlight on. Okay, yeah, so you got a nice little flashlight. Obviously you're not gonna, you know, you're gonna eliminate the area, but you know, that's as much as you're gonna eliminate with that. You're not gonna, you know, brighten up the whole campsite for that, but it'll be good for connecting stuff in here or connecting a phone or whatever, washing your hands. I don't know if it's for the pump screws. So, and this seems like it's removable, maybe serviceable. Alright, here on the front it says California stuff. I'm sure it causes cancer, right? And then you got this for the gun. That actually fits perfectly. I know this might break, but item number HGPRO301VNM, made in Vietnam. Yep, no indications of the gallons here, by the way. So other than that, I mean, you don't really need that. Either you're filled or you're running on empty there. So this is, you got a nice big cap here, nice serviceable cap. If you need to stick your hand in there, you're screwed, because it's, if you got a smaller hand, you might be able to stick it in there. But I mean, you can stick up a brush if you need to clean it or something. But they did included a power cord for the car. So this is a 12-volt cigarette lighter for the car. I could power this with basically with the generator or with a power station. And then you got your hose here. This is not a garden hose size. Keep that in mind. This is way thinner. However, it should give you some nice breeze, or you know, a water, like a water hose type of pressure. Water. So basically, what you do is just like a compressor, basically compressor hose. You squeeze it back and you put it in. It clamps in there. Same thing with this. This is plastic, by the way, so you do have to be gentle on this. Stick, you know, run this back, stick in there, and it snaps. So, you guys hear that? It snaps in. I could see this failing, but it is plastic. I mean, you're not gonna be using this for high pressure. I would just leave it connected if for all your camping days that you're going to be outside. Other than that, you got some more instructions here. You got some Walmart stuff. I'm going to go ahead and put the battery to charge, and we'll go from there. Well, you guys saw it. It does work. I do recommend this thing, like I said, for all I said on this video. I heard nothing but good things about this. It does not have 5 stars on the reviews. It does have around 4 stars. But from what I see and what I read, it does what it's intended to do. It is not a pressure washer. It's just a portable washing station. So that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.